what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Just look at how lush this looks. Hello beautiful people. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this very beautiful, lush and amazing carrot body butter using fresh carrots. So let's get right into it. Of course, to make our carrot body butter, we are going to be needing fresh carrots. Carrots is rich in beta carotene. It can help with brightening. It's rich in vitamins A and C. It can help repair damaged skin. It can help with inflammation. It is just so good. We're going to begin the process of making this body butter by first grating our carrots. You can also blend your carrots if you can blend it without adding in any form of water. So blend or grate your carrot. At the end of this video, I'll drop the full list of the ingredients and their measurements. So make sure you watch this video till the end so you get that. Okay, so after grating my carrots, this is what it looks like. It is well shredded and it's in tiny bits. Now we can go on to make our carrot body butter from this. So right now I'm just going to transfer my grated carrot or blended carrots, if that's what you're using, into a pan or a pot. Please make sure you use a very clean pot and do not use the same pots you use in making your food to make this. I will suggest that you get a separate pot to do this that you don't use to cook. The next ingredient you're going to be needing is a carrier oil. Here I'm using sweet almond oil, but you can use any other carrier oil that suits your skin. You can use sweet almond oil like I'm using, or coconut oil, or any other carrier oil. You can even use argan oil or olive oil. Now the next thing we're going to do is to add our carrier oil into the pot of shredded carrots. You're just going to make sure that this spreads all across the carrots. After adding in the oil completely, I'm just going to try to give this a good mix to ensure that the carrots are well seated in the oil. Now our next ingredient is our butter. Here I am using shea butter, but you can use any other kind of butter, cosmetic butter, not your edible butter. This is shea butter. You can use mango butter, you can use avocado butter, you can even use cocoa butter. Any cosmetic grade butter is fine. So I'm also going to add the butter into our carrot. Just so you know, butters are hard oils, so they are also oils, they're just in solid form. So that means that once you melt your butters, they become oils too. So right now I'm just going to give this a good mix and ensure that our carrots and the oils are properly combined. Now I'm just going to take this and put it on low heat to cook. What we're trying to do is to infuse the carrots into our butter and oils. So as you stir, you'll notice that the butter will begin to melt, and that's just what we want. We want the carrots to infuse in the oil and the butter. So just keep cooking this on low heat. You don't want to use high heat for this so that your oil and your carrots will not end up getting burnt. So you need to take your time and do this gradually. Also, as you do this, you would notice that the carrot will begin to lose its color. That means it won't be as orange as it was when it was fresh. That's because we're getting all of its goodness into the oils and the shea butter. You would notice that the carrots will begin to get dry, like they are getting fried, and then at that point you know that your oil is almost ready. So right now we're just going to put off the heat and allow our oil to cool down. This is exactly what it looks like after cooling down. Now we can go ahead to use this to make our body butter. The next step now is to sieve our oil. We need to get rid of the carrots, so we need just the oil and butter. So right now I'm going to be using a cheesecloth to do this. I'm just going to put this over a mixing bowl, and then I'm going to take our oil and then pass it through the cheesecloth. I'm just going to do this gently and gently. We need to get all our oil out. So I'm just going to do this until I get all of it into the cheesecloth. Once you can get all the oil out, you don't want to squeeze the cheesecloth. Just allow the oil drain out by itself. Don't squeeze the cheesecloth so that you don't get some of the water content of the carrots into the oil. So just let the oil drip down by itself until it's completely done. Once you get all the oil out, then we have the base for our carrot body butter, and then you can discard the carrot shaft if you want, or you can use it to make a face mask or a body mask. Then now we can go ahead to make our body butter by adding other ingredients. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is my turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is also another excellent carrier oil. It's an infused oil. If you don't want to use this, you can also go with other oils. If you want a tutorial on how to make this turmeric infused oil, I have that in my channel, and I'm going to drop the link to the video in the description box. So right now I'm just going to add the turmeric oil into our carrot oil. As you can see, everything is already coming together and it's already looking so beautiful. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is my cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol is an excellent ingredient. It's going to help hydrate the skin, condition the skin, soften the skin, and it's also going to help thicken up our body butter and give it that very creamy consistency. But if you don't have cetyl alcohol or you don't want to add it in, you can choose to skip it. Your body butter will still come out well. But for me, I want this in my body butter, so I'm just going to be adding it into our oils, and then I'll give this a good mix. As you can see, it's already coming out well. Now I'm just going to double boil this so that our cetyl alcohol can dissolve. So I'm just going to drop it on a pot of boiling water, and I'll keep stirring and stirring until the cetyl alcohol is completely dissolved. You don't want to have it in chunks in your body butter. So just keep stirring, and as you can notice, everything is already dissolving. At this point, the cetyl alcohol is completely dissolved, and now I'm going to take it off the heat and allow it to cool for a bit. Now I'm just stirring it to allow it to cool down, and because I want you to see how good this looks in its liquid form, I transferred it into this transparent bowl. So I'm going to be popping this in the freezer for about 2 hours, and I'll allow it to freeze, and then we'll bring it back here. This is what our body butter is looking like after 2 hours in the freezer. It's completely solidified, and now the next step is to whip this up till we have a very creamy and beautiful butter. Here I have my hand mixer, and this is what I'm going to be using to whip this body butter, and I'm just going to be whipping on low speed until we are completely okay with the consistency. So I'm just using a very low speed, and I'm doing this gradually. I have barely started whipping this body butter, but you can already see that it looks so yummy and beautiful and lush. So you need to take your time to do the whipping until the body butter doubles in size and is very fluffy and creamy. And we have the cetyl alcohol to thank for the creamy nature of this body butter. If you don't add cetyl alcohol, it will still be creamy and beautiful, but it won't be this creamy because the cetyl alcohol is an absolute game changer. So I'm just going to keep whipping and whipping, and as you can see, our body butter is coming out and it's even doubling in size. Now I'm just going to add my essential oil and my vitamin E oil, and then I'm just going to scrape the sides so that everything, so we can whip every part of this body butter. And then I'm going to go again with my hand mixer to ensure that everything is well combined and well incorporated. Trust me, you cannot get enough of this body butter. You're going to keep making and making it. And the beautiful part is it's suitable for all skin types, and even kids can use this. I didn't add a preservative into this body butter because I'm going to just be using it within a week or so. But I'm going to drop the recipe that has a preservative in case you'll be making a lot at once, so you would need a preservative. So this is how our body butter is looking right now. I'm just going to pack this in my jar. As you can see, it is absolutely amazing. So this body butter will help to moisturize the skin. It has brightening properties. It will help to even out your skin tone. If this video was helpful for you, please make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing recipes like this.